Most AI models are good at one thing. Maybe coding, maybe reasoning, maybe chat. But very few models actually feel good about everything. And this new model from Tencent, HY3 Preview, may be one of the first open models that actually feels like a real general-purpose AI system. Today, I'm testing HY3 Preview, Tencent Hunyuan's newest open-source AI model. It's a 2095 billion parameter mixture of expert model with a 2015 6K context window, designed for reasoning, coding, agents, instruction following, and long context tasks. So instead of just chatting with it, I wanted to test something practical. Can this actually function like a real coding agent? Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today we're going to dive in Tencent HY3 Preview. Hey, I just saw this on X. Tencent HY just released HY3 Preview model. It is totally an open model and it can do so much more. So I just check Open Router. I find these models are available here. According to Tencent, HY3 Preview is the first major release after rebuilding their entire training and reinforcement learning structure earlier this year. What's interesting is that they are not positioning this as a benchmark-only model. Their focus seems much more practical. Real-world usage, agent workflows, tool usage, instruction following, and long task reasoning. The model uses a fast and slow thinking architecture with 295B total parameters and 21B active parameters. So I wanted to test those claims directly. Okay, let's start with coding. Okay, how to use it in our daily life? Well, I do find a way. I am more like a cursor guy. So maybe we can start to use HY3 in Cursor. In order to do that, the fastest way is to open an account in Open Router and then click API keys. So I just created this API key. If you want to build up a new one, you just click here, type the name, and you can leave all this empty and click create. There we go. This is your key. Copy this and save in the save place. After that, I directly go to Cursor and click Model. So in this model page, you can click here AI keys and click here Open AI API key. Then type your key here and click here Overwrite Open AI base URL and type this URL instead. So you see, Open Router follows OpenAI's instruction. So you just change the key, the base URL, and type the model's name. So directly type Tencent /HY3 Preview. And after that, you open again. Now open the model. You can find it here. So click here and let's ask. Yeah, check out this. AI replies, I am an AI coding assistant powered by Tencent HY3. Okay, now we are set. Let's type our prompt to coding something. Okay, and send. Hey, it's done. Usually when you use AI to coding, the design, how to describe it? AI native. So you can recognize this is from AI instead of a human immediately. So let's try to see if HY3 can solve this problem. Alright, we can see we already have the file. Let's double click. Wow! Am I in the wrong page? Oh my god. Can you actually believe we just made this at once? I make no tweaks on the original ones. And in fact, this is already very perfect. And you got pricing and everything you wanted. This totally feels like natural, right? So this is a dark version, so maybe I want something light. Let's ask HY to do that. And give it a second. Oh, now we got James AI homepage. And I just found that we have some micro interaction here. Yeah, And when we scroll down, everything's so smooth. I love it. And you know what? When you change to mobile device, it automatically becomes a responsive design. Before this, I prefer Opus. But with HY3, I might change my mind. Because this is a totally open model. You can actually get access from GitHub. Yeah, I will leave the address in the description. With this open model, you can do so much more, and you don't need to pay credits anymore. Isn't that wonderful? And I think the coding ability is quite impressive. For the coding part, I think the generated UI usually looks modern. Responsive layout worked. Spacing was consistent. And even the component structure feels like natural. A lot of the models start strong, then slowly drift away from the original request, but HY3 stayed very consistent. For longer coding tasks, that matters a lot. Okay, so much for the coding test. Let's do something fun. Coding is not the only thing HY3 can do. Alright, in order to test it, I found something quite interesting. This agent is called WorkBuddy. In fact, you can connect HY3 to OpenCloud, OpenGhost Shell, Hermes, and any agent you name it. WorkBuddy is also from Tencent, from the same company. And what's the beauty about this is you can directly use HY3 from this agent. So let's download from here. And after that, we just open it. And let's click this button. This is a model selection. Let's select the Hy3 Preview. The beauty about using agent is that you can control your computer by this agent. For example, let's make a presentation. Okay, I wanted a presentation in my desktop. The topic is new AI trends in 2026. Let's click this button. Download an agent, connect to Hy3. Meaning that you give the access to the smartest model on the market, Hy3. And this guy can manipulate everything in your computer. But don't worry about the safety. Actually, you can select from here. So you can select the default permission or full access. So right now, it's default permission. And actually, you can check how Hy3 thinks. But usually, I would be away for a coffee and come back to see my result. How about you? Are you the type of the guy who checks what AI does? Oh wait, what I just saw is that, in fact, Hy3 even generated several images for our presentation. This is something unbelievable because usually the models will searching for images on internet and added some ugly images. Let's see what my Hy3 built up for me. Wow, it feels quite natural, right? And I think the quality of the presentation is quite amazing. I cannot do it so fast, admit that. So what comes next is I asked Hy3 to make an Excel to record the best AI video models and mark the price and how long it can generate. So let's see if Hy3 can help us to make that. Alright, let's check out our Excel. Okay, this is a very detailed Excel. I think the best part is not in the Excel itself, but in the dialogue, because you can see before Hy3 answered us, it does so much research. So what impressed me most was instruction consistency. The model follows a four main rules. A lot of the models perform well on simple prompts, but start ignoring details. But this one stick to the plan. And also this model supported up to 256K context, which is extremely useful for large documents, code base, or research workflows. And I think the result is quite solid. All the data are calculated from Hy3 in the last several minutes. This is the best open models I have ever used. It's not only helps you to build up your website or do your web coding thing, but also you can run it in your agent to make a presentation, make Excel, or simply be a companion. You can treat HY3 as your friend, ask him your deep questions. And for the pricing, another thing Tencent is pushing heavily is the cost-performance ratio. According to their release, HY3 significantly improved inference efficiency while lowering the deployment cost. And honestly, response speed was faster than I expected. The response speed was faster than I expected for a model this large. Tencent also claims enterprise deployment requires a few GPUs, which lowers the operating cost. So, interesting part here isn't just a raw intelligence, it's whether they can deliver strong performance at a much lower price, because that's what actually matters for real-world AI applications. After testing HY3 Preview, I think the most impressive thing isn't one specific benchmark, it's a balance. The model feels unusually well-rounded. It can chat naturally, follow instructions, write solid codes, handle long context, and function inside the agent's workflows like Open Cloud, like Work Buddy, without falling apart. Do I think it replaces top frontier models entirely? Not yet. But for an open model, the overall capacity here is honestly very competitive, especially if Tencent continues improving the agent and the reasoning side. This feels much closer to a real practical AI system instead of just a benchmark demo. Okay, so much for today. If you want to try HY3 Preview yourself, I will leave the open router link in the description below. And honestly, if you are interested in AI coding, agent workflows, or long context models, this is definitely one worth testing. Okay, so much for today. I hope you liked today's content, and don't forget to check our description to find more usable links. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to James Xi's channel.